The DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of DJI's most exciting upcoming launches, and fresh leaks straight from Shenzhen are adding serious fuel to the hype. A new report reveals that DJI employees have been spotted testing the Osmo Pocket 4 side by side with the Pocket 3 in a local DJI store in China. It's not just a casual demo. These tests look like part of a pre-release evaluation to fine-tune performance before the big reveal. Rumors of the Pocket 4 started months ago, with drone insider Igor Bogdanov at Quadro News on X leaking hints of an NDA and promotional material allegedly filmed in Barcelona. Soon after, leaked images began circulating online, showing off what appears to be the Pocket 4's final design. On October 27, 2025, sources confirmed that the Pocket 4 had officially entered production, setting the stage for an announcement between December 2025 and January 2026. Now, the Shenzhen leak gives us our clearest look yet at the upcoming camera. In the images, a DJI employee, or possibly a beta tester, can be seen comparing the new Pocket 4 directly with the Pocket 3, capturing low-light test footage in a realistic urban setting. The goal seems to be stress testing the upgraded camera sensor and stabilization in real-world environments. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 looks sleeker and noticeably slimmer than the Pocket 3, shedding the boxy profile for a more refined silhouette. The new model is said to weigh around 116 grams, roughly 35% lighter than its predecessor's 179 grams, making it more comfortable for extended handheld shooting. From what we can tell, DJI has refined the control layout beneath the screen, though details remain fuzzy due to the leak's image quality. As for release and pricing, insiders suggest the Pocket 4 will debut between December and January, priced around $699 to $799, with a possible Pro variant reaching $899. Meanwhile, the Pocket 3's price drop to $529 might tempt those who can't wait for DJI's next big pocket-sized powerhouse.
The Pocket 3 was known for its rotatable screen and 1-inch sensor gimbal head, features that gave it power but also bulk. The new, streamlined Pocket 4 frame suggests DJI has re-engineered the device to optimize stability, comfort, and portability, perhaps shifting some components internally or using a lighter gimbal architecture. If this is true, DJI might finally have struck the perfect balance between pro-level capability and true pocket-sized design. What it all means. The appearance of a finalized safety and battery document is no small event. It indicates that DJI has moved past the conceptual phase into hardware testing, a stage that usually happens just months before launch. The reduced weight might represent a base model, with a heavier Pro variant, the one rumored to feature dual lenses and 8K video, coming later. Meanwhile, DJI is reportedly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory, hinting at preparation for the Pocket 4's arrival. Battery life could extend to around 180 minutes, with improvements to low-light performance and integrated audio systems. A clear message to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo that DJI isn't stepping back from the compact camera race. So, while DJI remains silent, the leaks are speaking loudly. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a signal that DJI's next leap in handheld innovation is already on the runway. Something small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful is coming. And this time, it might just redefine what pocket camera really means.
DJI is gearing up for its next big reveal on November 18th, and all signs point to one star of the show, the Osmo Action 6. Just before these leaks, DJI dropped an official teaser along with confirmed pricing for Europe and the UK, fueling even more excitement. And now, a new hands-on image has given us our best look yet at DJI's next-generation action camera, and it's shaping up to be the company's boldest design yet. The leaked images show the Action 6 prototype next to the Action 5 Pro, and the differences are immediately noticeable. The new model is slightly taller and thicker, with a design clearly built for better heat dissipation. DJI seems to have prioritized performance and reliability over sheer compactness. Inside, the Action 6 reportedly features an internal metallic frame that doubles as a heatsink, keeping the camera cool during long, high-resolution shoots. This design choice hints at a larger sensor and a more powerful processor, both of which demand better cooling. The lens assembly has also been redesigned. It's chunkier with a deeper bezel and wider protective glass. The overall look is more industrial and squared, moving away from the smooth, rounded finish of the Action 5 Pro. This new front design doesn't just look tougher, it likely improves light intake, low light performance, and color accuracy. DJI has kept some familiar design elements too. The quick-release cage design from the Action 4 returns, possibly with smoother clips and better airflow. The camera also comes pre-fitted with its lens cover and rubber protector, and a waterproofing reminder tag ensures users properly tighten the lens before diving underwater, a typical DJI touch for safety and reliability. Inside the box, accessories like the OSMO locking screw, curved adhesive base, and silica gel packs are included, while a sealed packet likely contains stickers, warranty info, and setup guides. The biggest upgrade comes under the hood. The OSMO Action 6 is said to feature a 1.1-inch sensor, which is about 40% larger than the 1.1-inch sensor 1.3-inch sensor found in the Action 4 and Action 5 Pro. This jump in sensor size is significant. In the world of action cameras, every fraction of an inch matters. A larger sensor means brighter, sharper footage, with improved dynamic range and cinematic color depth, especially in challenging lighting conditions. For vloggers, travelers, and extreme sports enthusiasts, this could mean a noticeable leap in image quality and stability, even in dim or high-contrast environments. The DJI Action 6 standard combo is priced at €379 in Europe, £329 in the UK, and approximately $379 in the US. The Adventure combo costs €479 in Europe, £419 in the UK, and around $479 in the US. As November 18th approaches, anticipation for the DJI OSMO Action 6 continues to build. With bold design upgrades, a larger sensor, and refined engineering, it's clear DJI is aiming to redefine what an action camera can do. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, however, promises 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration. The choice is yours. Stick with the trusted Action 5 Pro or embrace the futuristic Action 6. So, which side are you on for your next adventure? So tell me folks, what will it be? Will you stick with the dependable Action 5 Pro, or are you ready to leap into the future with the Action 6? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle isn't over, and your next adventure deserves the right camera.